Hi, Coastal students. Miss Harp here to talk about your physical activity requirements for PE this year. So you'll see the same video reminding you of these requirements at the beginning of all of your PE units, but the main goal for PE is to stay active. So Florida has a requirement for you to stay active 150 minutes per week. 30 minutes of those each day should be consecutive. So getting your heart rate up for 30 straight minutes if you can. Okay, that can look like all sorts of things. So, what you see here on this picture, there's some students playing soccer. Maybe you do gymnastics or play basketball with your friends, riding bikes, helping around the house with chores, and even taking care of your pets can be part of your physical activity. As long as you're getting up and moving and not staying sitting on your computer working all day or playing video games all day, you're going to meet your 150 minutes. Now, your lessons are going to ask you, and you're going to see some words like Dropbox, upload your physical activity log. We are not going to ask that you keep track with a log or upload any sort of log this year. In place of that log, we're going to ask you to take a quick test at the end of each unit. It will count for the same number of points as your log, but it will be usually like a recording of you telling us what you did to stay active, listing some of the fun things that you did to keep your heart rate up. You'll answer a few short questions, and that will take place of your physical activity log. So you should see this video almost every time at the beginning of the units. It will repeat itself. All of those requirements or portfolio requirements should be dropped so you don't have to turn in a log. It may be a good idea to keep a note or sort of a log on the side of some of the things you did, because your quiz, when you answer it, is going to cover several weeks. And you may have forgotten some of the fun things that you did to stay active for previous weeks. So you can keep a log, but just know that the requirement of the actual log has been dropped. And you'll notice some notes inside your lessons that remind you that you don't actually have to write down your activity. If you have any questions, reach out to any of your teachers. We can help you with this requirement, but don't forget to stay active. It is part of your health education.